Yeah, it was beyond our expectations. Though we were thinking from the very beginning that Karnataka will attract very fierce competition among the prospective bidder, and as per the expectations, we have got very encouraging results. And so far, 16 mining areas have been successfully auctioned. And if we see the total resource value, it has crossed about 70,000 crore.
Who were the most enthusiastic bidders?
In Karnataka, though, out of seven, five have gone to JSW and another two to MSP. So basically, because they have their huge stakes in Karnataka, so that is why they had gone for very aggressive bidding.
Were they among the most aggressive bidders?
JSW, of course, because they bagged five mines out of total seven.
Who are the other players that have bagged some of the key mines that were up for auction?
Basically, this another is MSPL. They have got two mines, and now, in fact, there are other seven areas. So hopefully, though the areas are not so big, but still they will combine smaller mines and make a bigger block for auction purpose.
How fierce was the auction and what kind of premium have you cashed in?
Yeah, on an average, I think maybe about 100%, 90 to 100%. If we see all together, if we take seven mines, then about 90 to 100%.
Are there any more auctions that we could expect lined up?
Yeah, there are about 20 more blocks to be put on auction in near future, and let's hope we will get same kind of response.
Would this be in the next 6 months?
Yeah, earlier than that. I'm talking only in next 2 months time. But if we take the total financial year, then maybe we expect about another 30-40 blocks to go for auction.
And what is your target that you are looking to add to coffers this time?
Target is about 50 mines to be successfully auctioned by the end of this year.
And what is the base price?
Base price, it all depends. Basically, what kind of ore is there, and then area, then so many factors. It depends on many factors.
The amounts that you could share that you are looking to garner?
No, basically it all depends what kind of areas are there, whether it is PL come ML or so.
So, and what's the latest on the minimum price request that the industry has put forward for copper? What are your views on this?
It is basically still under examination, and government will take a final view very soon.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.